Hello, little friends. Welcome to our fun English class. Today, we'll learn 10 action words with movements. Are you ready? Let's go! Jump. Can you jump like me? Jump, jump, jump. Now, let's clap our hands. Clap, clap, clap. Good job! Let's run. Ready, set, go. Run, run, run. Wow, you're so fast. Time to dance. Move your body and dance. Dance, dance, dance. Okay, let's take a rest. Sit down. Sit, sit, sit. Very good. Now, stand up. Stand tall like a tree. Stand, stand, stand. Let's wave our hands and say hello. Wave, wave, wave. Hi, friends. Let's walk slowly. Walk, walk, walk. Nice and easy. Shh. Let's sleep. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Good night, little stars. Wake up! It's a new day. Stretch your arms and smile. Wake up, wake up. Yay! You did it! Let's say all the action words one more time. Jump, clap, run, dance, sit, stand, wave, walk, sleep, wake up. Great job, friends! You learned 10 action words today. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun English videos. Bye-bye!